I think we have to cross. I think the trail is cross. You don't fall in, I guess.
So much fun. I'm having so much fun.
Nothing bad will happen. Just go in.
Hello? Hello? Dude, the shit out of myself for what?
The water's like a foot deep. All right, Lauren, you gonna jump in?
Huh? Me?
Oh my goodness, it's so cool.
Did you hear that?
All right, let's get out of here.
At this point, Clay is carrying nothing. And I'm carrying the camera and the backpack. I'm dripping sweat and Clay is just living the dream.
There we go.
Thanks.
Do you need a hand? You want me to take the camera here?
Oh, you ask when we're up the hill.
I keep hearing thunder.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, it's opening up, Lauren. It's opening up, Lauren. What? Oh my.
Whew.
So you want to go swimming in that?
Yeah, we can climb down.
It's gonna start
It's
raining.
totally gonna rain on us.
Lauren just scaled this 8-foot rock face. There she is, going down to there for a picture.